The guided missile destroyer USS John Finn DDG-113 launches a standard missile during U.S. Pacific Fleet's Unmanned Systems Integrated Battle Problem. The exercises integrates manned and unmanned capabilities into challenging operational scenarios to generate warfighting advantages over near-peer and peer navies. The USS John Finn is the 63rd Arleigh Burke-class destroyer, and she was commissioned on July 15, 2017. She was named after John William Finn, the first Medal of Honor recipient of World War II. Finn was honored for his heroic service on December 7, 1941. Finn machine-gunned Japanese planes for hours. Despite several gunshot wounds and numerous shrapnel wounds he received during the attack. USS John Finn is currently home-ported in Yokosuka, Japan. Thanks for watching.